What's up, online shoppers? My husband is absolutely excited about getting these shoes on his feet. These are the Bruno Marc MaxFlex sneakers, and they were gifted to me by the brand. So I'm going to show you all about them, and then I'm going to have to give them up to my husband. I'll have to pry them off his feet for an actual review a little while later, but let's talk about all the cool features. Let's be real. Finding a shoe that is going to keep up with whatever you're doing can be hard. Sometimes you're at work, sometimes you want to go out afterwards. You want to have a shoe that doesn't feel too dressed up, that you can't get away with using casually with your jeans, or even sacrificing comfort and having something that actually looks good and feels good too. These are the Bruno Marc's MaxFlex fashion Oxford sneakers, and they're really cool. Now, first of all, they're super light. Each of them weighs less than a half a pound, which is pretty cool. They have a really nice grippy underneath sole with memory foam, and they've got a pretty good flex, but I will say that they feel substantial too. Now, one of the reasons we picked these ones is I think they're the ultimate blend of comfort and style. And I think that's a game changer, because if he wants to go from being at work to out with his friends afterwards for drinks, he's got a nice shoe that can take him both to the boardroom and out for casual evening with friends. The look of them, I think, is pretty sleek and modern. They've got a really cool detail in all of the tapestry of the mesh. It's not just like a standard mesh. There's actually a really neat kind of a gray-black detail to it, and there's some really interesting patterning going on, which I think is cool. The other thing is, this is a slip-on, slip-off shoe. It's got a really nice curve at the back here that hugs the foot, and this is stretchy mesh. So even if you have somebody whose feet swell during the daytime a little bit, the mesh is going to be a lot more forgiving and give them a comfortable shoe, whether it's first thing in the morning or even at the end of a long day. For sure, there's no more struggling with tight shoes or uncomfortable pressure points. Now, if you need support for your feet, it's hard to show you on the video, but these are actually really cool. They have a shock absorbing inside the shoe, and it offers a little bit of arch support, but not a ton, which means your feet are going to be cushioned. There's also some really nice memory foam in there so that your feet will be molded to the shoe, offering more comfort. The outside sole is really durable. It is an anti-slip rubber sole, and it's really good for stability and traction. You can see it sits pretty nicely on the ground. There's a little bit of a curve to it, which makes the shoe more comfortable for sure. One of the reasons we were drawn to this particular shoe was how versatile it is. They blend casual and formal. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with dress pants, you can take them with you on your tropical vacation. They're not going to be something that's like a sweaty hot shoe. The mesh makes them super breathable. There's just so many different places that these are the appropriate shoe to wear. So if you're in the market for a shoe that's stylish but flexible, comfortable, yet really finished and polished looking, the Bruno Marc's MaxFlex Oxford sneaker is definitely one to think about. I think the shoe delivers on all fronts, on comfort, on design, on style. So if you're ready to elevate your footwear game like my husband is, I think these are some you should consider. I think they're definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.